Hello, fifth graders. Today we're going to go to Storyworks and look at Word Nerd, which is a section in Storyworks every month. We're going to look at a video today that kind of shows us what Word Nerd's all about. If you saw the directions, you need a piece of paper that you can write on and a pencil. And every once in a while I'm going to stop so you can write an answer and then you can see if you guess correctly. It's about guessing today. So if you followed the link, you'll get to you would get to the Word Nerd, and so here it is.
Tyler Maxwell used to be a typical boy, but one day, a 10-pound dictionary fell on his head. Luckily, he survived, but now Tyler can only use the biggest, hardest words there are. His friends don't understand him. Can you help? Use our helpful hints to figure out what the Word Nerd is saying in some of our favorite Word Nerd adventures from over the years. On a sheet of paper, write down in your own words what the Word Nerd is trying to say.
I am livid about the unsightly apparel my parents coerced me to don today.
Unsightly apparel means ugly clothes. So what does livid mean? How would you feel if your parents coerced you to don ugly clothes?
Okay, on your paper, write down how you would feel if your parents asked you to wear ugly clothes to school. It would make you livid. What does livid mean? How do you think he feels? If you wrote down angry or mad or upset, you're right. Livid means angry. All of those would be right.
Thinking about context, or what would make sense in a sentence, can be a great clue to a word's meaning.
The secured vestibule in which I store my possessions has the aroma of a swine's abode.
Which words in the Word Nerd's exclamation can you figure out from what you see here? What would you call the secured vestibule where he keeps his stuff?
Okay, where is he keeping his stuff? Well, they're saying that he's calling that a secured vestibule. But what would you call it? Also, he said has the aroma of a swine's abode. Aroma is smell, swine is pig, and abode is home. It smells like a pig's home. What is this place where he keeps his things? If you said locker, you're right.
How atrocious! My dentifrice in the form of alabaster cleansing solvent is severely depleted.
The word root dent means tooth. Think about the dentist. So what do you think dentifrice means? Alabaster is a white mineral. What do you think something described as alabaster looks like?
So, make a guess. What are they talking about? It's something for your teeth, dent, and alabaster, and it's white, and it's used for cleansing. Write down your answer. Yes, toothpaste. If you wrote toothpaste, you're right.
I am enamored of poultry morsels encased in breading.
The prefix "n" means put into or go into. What do you think enamored and encased mean? Here's another hint. The word root amor means love.
Put into, love, of poultry morsels. Look at the picture to see what kind of poultry morsels he's having. And how does he feel about them? Write something down. Well, the poultry morsels, you can tell, are chicken nuggets. Poultry is chicken or turkey. And he is enamored of them. He is put in love with them. He likes his chicken nuggets. If you said he loves them, you're right.
My digits are fatigued from engaging in a surfeit of electronic pastimes.
Digits can mean numbers. But be careful, that's not what it means here. What other meaning do you think it has?
Okay, the picture is kind of helping you here. If his digits are fatigued from engaging in a sure felt of electronic pastimes. So he's been playing video games. And what would get tired out? If you said fingers, you're right. Digits can sometimes mean your fingers.
While trudging down the thoroughfare, I blundered in a fissure and plummeted onto my posterior.
Which words do you already know? Use those words and the picture to figure out what meanings would make sense for the words you don't know.
So he's trudging down the thoroughfare, and what happened to him? Write down what you think happened to him. If you said he fell down on his bottom, you're right. Posterior is his bottom. Fissure is crack. He blundered in a fissure. He tripped on the crack in the sidewalk, and he fell on his posterior, his backside. If you said anything like that, you were right.
Looks like the word nerds had enough adventures for today, but you can use these hints whenever you come across unfamiliar words. Have an idea for a great word nerd adventure? Send us your word nerd exclamation. Maybe we'll use it in an upcoming issue of Storyworks, and you'll be our real-life word nerd.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to make myself big here. Good job practicing that. And the same way that you can figure out words from context clues, you can also figure out idioms from context clues. So you see some words that don't make sense. You know, why would they say that something's out in left field when they're not even talking about baseball? Well, maybe because they want you to know that it's way out there. It's an idea that's kind of crazy. It's way out there. But you can use the context clues to help you and many other things to help you. So thank you for practicing Word Nerd with me, and have a great day.